Hi everyone, so I'm gonna bring you guys on a very quick house tour of the house that I'm staying at, Seoul, South Korea. Let's go inside. Hi guys, so before I show you guys the house, let me show you around the hotel first. This is the morning breakfast that we always have, the cereals and the breads. That's basically the only thing that we can eat. Next up, on the same floor, we have playroom for the kids, which is so much fun, and also the gym. And we have this snooker table over here, transport over here. Everything is on the same floor, which is so convenient. And here we have the business center, so for those who wants to come here and do some work, you can do that. You can print things and surf the internet, I guess. And lastly is the hotel's rooftop, which unfortunately we only found out about it on our last day here. Wow, besar gila, macam ada garden. It is a garden. Saya ada music lagi. Barbecue place.
Jacuzzi there. Ayah.
Ayah. Oh, that's a very cute size swimming pool.
Nak try.
Boleh. Wow. Yeah, tu dia. Woohoo. Gyeongbokgung Palace. In Myeondong. Blue house ya?
Yang tetap biru tu.
Okay, now here's the house tour. Alright, as soon as you enter, this is what you're going to see. On the left is the shoe cabinet. Okay, so this is where we put our large and huge luggage, and everything else is shoes. There's a lot of space here for you to put a lot of things. Right, okay, that one done. And then the first door on the left is the toilet. It's a little bit of a mess because we are leaving the house. I'm leaving the house. Alright, so this bathroom only have a shower, doesn't have a bathtub. And the special part and the extra part that we like is that this toilet comes with a bidet. Awesome. All right, on the right is my parents' bedroom. Okay, and then moving on, this is the kitchen. It comes with all of these kitchen utensils, the pans and everything is given by the hotel. So this, and I do admit, I have to say that there's a lot of stuff here because my sister is staying here for months, so that's why it looks like we are living here. She is actually living here. All right, so the next part is the dining room. The dining table is actually close to the wall, but because we asked for an extra bed, we put the extra bed there, and then we moved the dining table here. And then on here, on this side, there's the living area. Again, we actually moved some furnitures around so that we have an extra space here. And again and again, there are a lot of extra things. It is not provided by the hotel. Like this thing is actually my sister's, so please don't expect that when you come here. The TV is given by the hotel, obviously. This hanger is given by the hotel because I forgot to show you guys that they give us a vacuum pula, a washing machine. Oh yeah, I forgot. And then also here is a fridge. It doesn't look like a fridge, but it's actually a fridge. It's a very nice looking fridge. Again, it looks a lot because we are living here. Alright, a very quick one. This is the master bedroom. The hotel do not provide you the iMac, yeah. So this is the walk-in closet. And then this is the toilet with a bathtub. Ta-da! I'm leaving now. I have to rush. And that's it, guys. Bye.